We all know that the youth are and will remain a significant share of Jamaica's population for the foreseeable future. Developing and implementing appropriate strategies, policies, and programs to mitigate the risks and challenges they face must and is a priority of this administration. Any failure to provide appropriate opportunities for this large segment of the population could have enormous economic, political, cultural, and social consequences. Engaging the youth population fully is therefore no longer a choice, but an imperative in the development process in taking Jamaica from poverty to prosperity, and with extension to fully develop Jamaica, our island home. In order to ensure not only the important safety of our youth, but we have put in place a 5-pillar strategy to ensure the safety and security of our nation in the years to come.
Safety and security is a function of the values and attitudes in the society. Our actions are driven by values, and therefore, if we were to re-engineer in Jamaica a culture of respect, sanctity of life, culture of how we resolve our conflicts peaceably, then what a Jamaica we would have. And a culture of working, a culture of doing things in a very ethical way, no scamming, not following the law. That is the kind of society that we want. And it all comes down to the values that we hold dearly. The educators, therefore, in the audience will appreciate the counteractive influence that the society and in the home, the community, and via the media in all its forms has on the teaching and learning process. At the school level, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information has introduced a suite of behavioral management programs aimed at promoting positive socialization, behavior change, and ultimately education. Programs all fall under the framework of the school-wide positive behavior intervention support system. Through this framework, teachers are adopting positive approaches to improve student behavior and attitude to learning. In addition to the behavior management programs, the ministry also has been promoting the formation of uniform groups in schools.
We are at the point in our life as a country where far too many of the maladies of our society are mirrored in our schools. I am afraid that the guidance counselors, the deans of discipline, the school resource officers, and other officials who volunteer to help in the schools, I'm afraid they will not be sufficient to curb indiscipline and delinquency that is so evident in many of our schools today. It will require innovative initiatives and partnerships like this conference to disrupt the trajectory that is taking us as a country to the brink. Indeed, if we truly want to transform our country, the school and the home are where we must start. This conference, this partnership, represent a good start.
Let us all work together to build this great nation, Jamaica, land we love.